Bedtime Stories made for you by Diggy and George. The Lion, the Mouse, and the Cat. Once upon a time, on a mountain, lived a mighty lion. This lion was strong and courageous. One day, when the lion was sleeping in his den, a little mouse came out to play. The mouse saw the lion's beautiful mane. Look at it. It shines. So bright, so brilliant. The mouse thought. The moment the mouse looked at the lion's mane, he couldn't take his eyes out of it. Then he sat on nibbling the mane. He nibbled and took the broken mane hair to his little den. The mouse was happy with his job. Soon the lion awoke, and when he saw his uneven mane, he became very angry. He roared and roared. Who dared to do this? The lion yelled in anger. Whoever it was will pay for this. The lion then inspected his mane carefully. Though saddened and angry, he realized the uneven form of cutting was done by no other animal than a mouse. The lion then decided to go to a nearby village. I will get some help. The mouse will surely pay, the lion thought. Reaching the village, the lion looked for the mouse's worst enemy. A cat will take care of the situation in no time. The lion found the cat and took the cat back to his cave. Once the cat was inside the cave, the lion instructed the cat to keep the mouse away from him. The lion fed the cat and made sure that the cat was healthy. When the mouse saw the cat, he could not come out. If I go now, I am sure to die, the mouse thought. The mouse stayed hidden for several days. But hunger struck. The mouse finally ventured out. The moment the mouse came out, the cat picked up the mouse and ate it. Once the mouse was dead, the lion had no use of the cat. So he stopped feeding the cat. Soon the cat grew weak and passed away.